All right, we're going to take you through the grooming process, and we're going to give you some helpful hints and great tips along the way.
In 6 minutes or less.
Well, almost. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Dog Buzz. Bam. All right. Today we are working with a Cavapoo named Augie. Now, Augie is a 10-year-old Cavapoo.
I am not entirely certain of Augie's age.
He's not 10 years old.
But the Cavapoo tends to always look puppyish.
Well, he looks good for 10. All right, so what are we going to be doing with Augie today?
We are going to be giving him a bath, blowout, and a haircut.
Augie looks thrilled.
Augie is a mix of a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel and a Poodle. A Cavapoo. It could also be called a Cavoodle. I think Cavapoo sounds better, personally.
I like the Cavoodle.
They are a smaller dog, pretty pleasant temperament. Training is recommended because they can become destructive.
Oh, okay.
So,
Training, exercise.
Yes.
Okay.
So after a good bath, we are going to give Augie a good blowout, get his hair straight, make sure he's nice and dry so that we can have a good final finished groom on him.
Okay.
Augie is a regular. We see him about every 6 to 8 weeks. We keep him at about a 1/2 inch, which is either a 1 comb or a 3 blade. And then we leave his head fuller with an E-comb, which is 1 inch.
Okay.
So he has a nice round head.
So we're really knocking him down. Now, for what is it? Kookadoodle? What is it?
A Cavapoo?
What was the other name?
Oh, a Cavoodle.
A Cavoodle. I was kind of close. Is there a breed-specific cut, or it's just
No.
preference?
Preference. Breeds.
Are there any like really long-haired Cavapoos?
You could.
Cavoodles?
Cavoodles. You know, a lot of it depends on.
Oh, you need some dignity.
A lot of it depends on, what their coat type ends up being, because it is a hybrid dog.
Right.
Does the coat have more of a poodle appearance or a Cavalier appearance? So it just depends.
And the Cavaliers are normally like longer.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Interesting. Cavaliers
can sometimes have some pretty funky cowlicks. So, it is, we can see that in Augie's coat.
Well, that's a cowlick, not a cowlick.
All right. Well, whatever it's called. Moo.
All right. We're going to go through this after this video.
Fair enough.
All right. So he's got a lot of cowlicks.
Yeah.
All right.
He likes cows.
Apparently, look at it. He's got his tongue out.
So Cavapoos are known to have very thick ears.
Okay.
That's part of the Cavalier trait. So he's got a very nice round head there. Brittany was concentrating very hard.
Did you see that? Yeah. She was intense, man.
Now, Augie is not a fan of having his face brushed.
Okay.
So Brittany, she has little talks with Augie. Oh, got a mat. Gonna take some thinners, kind of cut into those mats, and then brush them out.
He's got that little goatee going. I like it.
Yeah. We leave that there so we have something to hold on to when we're working on their face. We leave that goatee piece there so that we have something to grab onto and cut it off at the very end. So, Augie did very, very well today. He is normally a lot more vocal for brushing his face and his ears.
I cut all that out. We took care of that in post.
Was he bad this
No,
day?
I'm teasing. He was fine. He was a good boy. All right, so we're wrapping up Augie. Hey, if you have any questions or comments about the Cavapoo or the grooming of, please leave us something in the comments. Give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for some more great dog grooming walkthroughs, tips, and tricks. And we will see you next time on the Dog Buzz.
Bye, Augie.